Right, this will be my second go. I made a complete arse of the first go, and it's also my first video that I've submitted on to UK Lock Sport. Been a member for almost a year, and this is my first submission, so go easy on me, guys. On eBay a couple of days ago, I came across a Lockwood padlock. I have mistakenly put my name down for Lock Newbies Lockwood Challenge. I'm somewhere on the list. I'm sure I'll get it at some point, but I thought I'd get in some training. So hence I went away about this wee bugger. I forgot in the first video to go away and open it. I'll let you see it open in front of it. So my bad for that, but it's a key in, open. The cord doesn't turn very much at all. That's how far it turns before there's an open. Let's look at the bit in. It feels like a 4-pin or maybe wafers. Not 100% sure. That light's not really getting in there, but perhaps you can see it. So I went on YouTube, had a wee look on YouTube, and I watched a couple of videos that said heavy tension and bottom the key weight, so that's what I'm going for. And I'll try and angle this as best I can. Apologies if my fingers get in the way. I am fat fingered at the best of times, so just bear with me. I normally start at the front of the stack and work my way back, so I'm starting on 1. And we push up onto 2, and we push up on 3. Nothing much there. I struggle getting onto 4. Oh, pushed all the way back, so back on 4. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, that was binding. And we push up. Back to 1. No, that's quite springy. Back onto 2. That's quite springy. Back onto 3. That's binding. Again, a wee gentle push up. And back to 4. That's not going anywhere. So back to 1. Back onto 2. 3, 4, and open. So I know it's only a wee diddly one, but I'm looking forward to the big ones coming off a Lock Noob. Thanks, guys.